Giselle Cherie's son Aiden is almost 3, and she has spent much of his young life worrying about him getting COVID and hoping for a vaccine.
I just want to protect him from getting sick, or if he does still get sick, I want to protect him from, any severe outcomes.
Moderna is the first vaccine maker to ask Health Canada to authorize a low dose of its Spikevax for children as young as 6 months and up to age 6 who've not till now been eligible.
There's still a big unmet medical need, so I think we're seeing cases in children raising, so I think we need to give the option to parents to vaccinate their children.
Infectious disease doctors are delighted because kids are at risk in the current wave of COVID.
We've had a number of kids, younger kids, die, and so that's protection of the children, but also protection of the families.
The older you are, the more likely you've had at least one vaccine dose. As of this month, Canadians over 60 are more than 95% vaccinated. Younger adults, including teenagers, are close to 90%, and children 5 to 11 who've only just been receiving vaccines recently are at 57%. But kids up to the age of 4 are close to 0, so vaccinating that group can only add to the country's overall immunity. But for some parents, there is reluctance. Emily Borghese is vaccinated, but her child is only 6 months old, and they've both had COVID.
I had Omicron. It wasn't that bad, so I don't think she needs it. It's not worth the risk.
In a statement, Health Canada says it will only authorize Spikevax if its independent and thorough scientific review of the data shows the benefits of the vaccine outweigh the risks in this age group. The approval process could last several weeks.
We have full confidence that the application will be looked at in the very best way.
And doctors say if the drug is safe, the greater risk would be not vaccinating children.
The risk of long-term side effects on the kids is negligible compared to the risk of children getting COVID, getting sick with it, and transmitting it to other vulnerable people.
Giselle Cherie doesn't need convincing.
I'm looking forward for this to be over.
Aren't we all? Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.